Hello students, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Welcome to the Post-Gate Guidance Program by IMS Gate Academy. Myself Sandeep Padari, lead mentor from IMS Gate Academy. Students, you might be eagerly waiting for your GATE score, and this series will help you to choose which college and which branch in IITs and NITs. Today in this session, I am going to give you the detailed analysis of IIT Kanpur and also IIT Kharagpur. My dear students, why do you want to choose IITs? Actually, if you see the knowledge, according to the knowledge, IIT Kanpur and Kharagpur are very highly rated. And remember, the Department of Civil Engineering at both the universities, at IIT Kanpur as well as at IIT Kharagpur, they have very good innovation technologies and they have produced a lot of technical manpower who are helpful for both industry and also the research and development oriented and as well as for the academic research. So these IITs will help you to reach your goal, and the infrastructure over there will definitely help you to achieve your goal in your career. Now coming to the MTech guidance for civil engineering, first thing I would like to discuss about the IIT Kharagpur. My dear students, the NIRF ranking for IIT Kharagpur is 5. Remember, this is the ranking, means a single digit number 5 is not an ordinary thing. So if you are securing a good GATE score, definitely IIT Kharagpur is one of the old institute for civil engineering. It was started way back in 1951. And remember this, the professors are very well experienced at IIT Kharagpur. Now, what are the specializations offered at IIT Kharagpur? The first specialization is hydraulics and water resources engineering. Remember, my dear students, you might be seeing water resources engineering, but in IIT Kharagpur, it is a combination of hydraulics and water resources. In hydraulics, you might be discussing about the different type of turbines, and you also come across some kind of knowledge related to the open channel flow. And coming to the water resources engineering, you will be discussing about the hydrology concepts as well as the irrigation concept. And remember, my dear students, when it is a dual degree, means it's a combination of dual branches like hydraulics and water resources, definitely your resume will be highly rated. Coming to the transportation engineering, as you are all aware, in a developing country, transportation makes a very important role, and you should be aware of the software MX roads. In transportation, we have three sectors. One is highway sector, traffic, and also the airport. And also in IIT Kharagpur, they are also offering the railway engineering in a separate branch. And this railway engineering, only 20 students are, means 30, around 30 students are there, only 20 students who can apply through, who should be an employee of Indian Railways, and only 10 students can be applied through GATE score. And structural engineering, definitely when you are interested really in the research oriented, structural engineering plays a very important role. One of the beauty of the IIT Kharagpur is the finite element analysis at IIT Kharagpur is very strong, and if your mathematics is very strong, then definitely structural engineering in India will definitely help you. Coming to the geotechnical engineering, if you want to understand the soil surface interaction, or if you, there is a lot of research happening in consolidation at geotechnical. And this is the serious branch which you should look. Even at your low GATE score in IIT Kharagpur, you can get into environmental engineering and management. And remember, my dear students, mark my words, an engineering graduate with management will definitely help you to reach your higher position. You can be both into the technical aspect, and at the same time, you can reach the management part. So this branch is a seriously, you should look into this, and definitely to have a brighter career abroad, this is a serious branch you should look into, my dear students. Now coming to the cutoffs, when we talk about in India, most of the students might be interested for structural engineering. For general category, it is 711 and EWS 655 and OBC 658 and SC 604 and ST 420. Now see students, for transportation engineering, it is 688, 604, 638 and 522. So clearly we have given the cutoffs for geotechnical engineering, environmental engineering and management, and also hydraulics and water resources. Why I have not provided the data for railway engineering is, out of 30 students, 20 students should be an employee of Indian Railways, and only 10 students can apply from the gate. And remember, my dear students, if you are applying for Railway Engineering MTech Kharagpur, it is a collaboration program with Indian Railways. So definitely you have more chances to secure a job in the Indian Railway. So please look into this detailed notification. As I told you, this, if you do MTech from Railway Engineering, if you are really interested to serve for the Indian Railways, definitely you should look into this branch. Now coming to the placements, my dear students, to be frank, we have a placements of around 15 to 20 lakhs in civil engineering, especially if you see the L&T or Mott MacDonald or FCons, or if you see about the design companies. Definitely the average salary per package for MTech civil engineers is 15 to 20 lakhs. But if you consider the entire college, these are the different types of companies which are visiting IIT Kharagpur. And why we should look for IITs? Because they have kept some set of standards. If you want to recruit a student from IITs, you should have a minimum salary package. Then definitely when you are opting for IIT Kharagpur or Kanpur, you can easily opt. And one more additional thing I would like to add, my dear students, if you are really interested in research, if you want to continue a PhD, or if you after that if you want to do postdoc, or if you want to pursue PhD in the foreign countries, definitely, my dear students, IIT Kharagpur, you should seriously look into civil engineering, because a lot of research has been happening in IIT Kharagpur. Around number of recruiters are 250 plus, and total number of offers made are 1600. Highest package is 2.4 crores, and this is the data for the entire college, my dear. If we talk about the civil engineering, it is around 15 to 20 lakhs. Now coming to this is how the IIT Kanpur looks like, and the NIRF ranking is 4, my dear student. So mark my word, it's a single digit number. NIRF ranking 4 means it's not an ordinary thing. When you are opting for IIT Kanpur, my dear student, still now I remember that all the earthquake tips which are given, 16 earthquake tips are given by the IIT Kanpur. We have a lot of research happening in structural engineering and earthquake engineering and using the finite element analysis. And remember, my dear students, if you want to pursue MTech from IIT Kanpur, the one word I would like to add here is, apart from the gate score, your mathematics should be very, very strong, because they look into the modeling part, they look into the analysis part. If your math is strong and you are really passionate towards the work, and if you want to do the research and development, and if you want to be a good member of a technical member of any international journal, or if you want to publish papers in the international journal after IISc Bangalore, then definitely IIT Kanpur is the best option for civil engineers to achieve their goal, my dear students. And coming to the structural engineering, I told you already, my dear students, in structural engineering we have the curriculum of earthquake, also we have the curriculum of dynamics. So it is the most of a challenging part. So the curriculum is extraordinary. It is aligned with the current trends in the industry, my dear student. Coming to the transportation, as I told you, we have highway engineering, railway engineering, airport engineering. The beauty of the IIT Kanpur here is they have made their curriculum according to the alignment of the industry abroad, as well as in the international companies, as well as according to the Indian companies. So whenever you are studying a MTech or a BTech from IIT Kanpur, definitely serious industries will look into you and your profile will be highly rated, my dear students. And coming to geotechnical, a lot of research has been happening in consolidation. And when I talk about geoinformatics, my dear students, geoinformatics is a combination of GIS, remote sensing, photogrammetry, and with the help of the earth sciences, geoinformatics will place a vital role if you want to do PhD abroad, my dear student. And coming to the environmental engineering, definitely in environmental engineering, global warming and how the design of sedimentation tanks, oxidation pond, challenging parts, what are the air, when we talk about the pollution part, also environmental engineering plays a very important role. Coming to the hydraulic and water resources, as I told you, here also it's a combination of hydraulic and water resources. But here students with lesser gate score will apply hydraulics because we have less opportunities in India, but in abroad you have. But in IIT Kanpur, my dear students, you should seriously look into this course, my dear students. Infrastructure engineering and management. Again and again, I'm telling you, my dear students, when you are applying for IIT Kanpur, with means slightly higher gate score is required for infrastructure engineering and management. But as a teacher, I would recommend you, before structural engineering, you can go with infrastructure and engineering and management, because it has a lot of future, my dear student, and you can reach your goal, and at the same time you will be highly paid for this curriculum, my dear student. So mark my word, infrastructure engineering and management is a very good course. If you want to have a detailed video of this, you can visit the IIT Kanpur website and go through the curriculum of the infrastructure engineering and management. As I told you, engineering with management will be always highly rated, student. Now coming to the placements, when we talk about the gate cutoff marks, if the structural engineering 760, transportation engineering is 680, and geotechnical engineering 730, environmental engineering 640. These are the scores for the general category. You can go through the OBC category, and also you can go through the cutoffs of SC and ST. I hope these cutoffs for these branches will help you. Now coming to the geoinformatics or hydraulics, if you see geoinformatics and hydraulics, you will have a lesser gate score also you can achieve. But when we see the infrastructure engineering and management, you will have a higher grade score. So, but my dear students, try to apply the infrastructure engineering and management even at a gate score, because we cannot predict the last year's same score. Even your gate score is around 650 or 670. But please remember, my dear students, please try to apply infrastructure and management. That is a beautiful course, and this course is aligned with the present trends in the industry according to the civil engineering norms. Now coming to the placements at IIT Kanpur, my dear students, if you see the average package is 12 lakhs to 15 lakhs. This is the placements of actual MTech for civil engineering, my dear student. So I'm not recording the entire package of the entire college. This is the whatever the placement which we have observed for MTech civil engineering. Now see students, when we see the different types of companies, you have to seriously look into this company, my dear students. One is GE Aviation. Remember, my dear students, GE Aviation for structural engineering and infrastructure engineering and management. This is very highly paid, and they recruit only the students from IITs and NITs, especially from MTechs, and they don't recruit the undergraduate. They graduate only the postgraduate. And remember, they will be highly paid, and you will be into the R&D department. So these are the some of the companies which have visited IIT Kanpur, and if you see, ISRO also have been visited the IIT Kanpur. Please visit the website imsindia.com, my dear students. In that imsindia.com, we are offering a GATE zero fee program. What does this GATE zero fee program is? It includes 100 plus hours of concept videos, 12 chapter tests, 6 subject tests, and 6 past gate papers. And we are proudly say that IMS Institute is the only institute which is running the offline center at Vijayawada, and you can visit our IMS center at Jayanagar in Bangalore. My dear students, we are also running the online, offline and hybrid model. Please try to register at imsindia.com. Try to watch the videos. You will get a glimpse of the entire subjects like civil engineering, and then you can choose your journey. I hope this video will help you to choose the branches in IIT Kanpur and IIT Kharagpur. And remember, mark my words again and again, my dear student, please look into the infrastructure engineering and management and also environmental engineering and management. These are the two branches where you should look into. And I hope this video will help you while choosing the IIT Kanpur or IIT Kharagpur. Thank you and all the best. See you at IITs. Bye-bye.